What? A double backflip in this weather? It's raining. Oh, whatever, come on. I'll teach you how to do a double backflip in the rain. Actually, this isn't that bad. No, actually, but in all seriousness, all you'll need to do the double backflip is one trampoline, and that's it. Now, for you to learn how to do a double backflip, you're gonna already need to know how to learn a backflip that looks like this. Get that trick comfortable so you know where you are. It's called air awareness. If you have good air awareness, you know where you are during your flip. So if you're upside down, you know that you're upside down. If you're about to land, you know that you're about to land. It's a crucial step to learning a double backflip. And the thing that a lot of people get hung up on when they're about to do a double backflip is just the fear. And it's so scary to do a backflip twice in the air because you already got over that fear doing the backflip, and it's scary. Trust me, I've been through this many times. And just the thought of backflipping twice in the air where you don't know where you are if you have bad air awareness can lead to head injury, neck injury, spinal cord injury. Pretty much any bone in your body can break if you land wrong during a double backflip. Yeah, I'll run through the steps on the trampoline. Hope you guys enjoy. The first thing you want to do and fix your backflips is try not to go all the way back when you're doing a backflip. Try to go up instead. So fix your backflips from going like this to this. And what that helps is when you're doing a double backflip and you're going backwards, you might not have enough room. So instead of necking on your trampoline, you're gonna end up over there in the net. It's gonna suck. So don't do that. Get your backflips high, not back, okay? Second thing you wanna work on is doing a backflip to your back and then rolling over. It looks like this. And what that does is it gets you doing one backflip and a half in the air, and then the other, you're just getting the hang of doing two flips pretty much in the same combo. One thing I suggest before you do the double backflip, take off your shirt. It makes you way more aerodynamic in the air and spin way faster during your flip. And I do it all the time, so take my word on it. Unless you're gonna do it in the foam pit first, you're not gonna get any more practice like this, and you just have to go for it. This is what it looks like. Anyway, that is the end of this. That's better. Anyway, that is the end of this tutorial. I hope this tutorial helps you. In the beginning, when you're learning and progressing your flips, it's super scary, but in the end, it's all worth it. See you guys later.